Good morning, ma'am. My name is Bahadur Magar, and I am from Nepal. I am 28 years old. I am married. I have one wife and one children. And I am cleaner. This cleaner. I work in hotel, and I am dish cleaner, and I will support my team and my entire group. I will stay in Romania. If you give me chance, I will stay in Romania for 5 years. I need this job to support my wife and my family members, and I will not leave Romania, and I am in Hinduism, and I will be very loyal and respectful for all. Thank you, ma'am.